Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use AI to edit videos automatically in CapCut. So make sure you will have download it on your mobile app or the PC. So I will just tap on it simply and this is the video I will just show you and let's see.
Did you know the reason why all the flags are back?
Now what's the reason of the AI automatically edit videos right over here? We will just find the captions option right over here. And here is the option to generate. So basically this is the AI generated. I will be just tap on it and before generate I will just select the theme right over here and I want to just tap on it generate and let's see. So let's
Did you
see.
know the reason why all the flags are backwards on military uniform? You ever realized that?
And now we will just go back on the main and slide for the just check for the noise cancellation. So this AI works for the noise background removal. I will just turn it
So
on.
American flag backwards,
Yeah.
Philippines flag backwards on all of their troops.
Yeah.
The reason why? Because
So these are the two options to use AI to edit videos automatically in CapCut, and some are in Pro version. So you will maybe subscribe this premium package of CapCut Pro, and it will be just working right over here like this. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.